Have you ever thought of what it'd be like to be a vegetarian, eating mainly fruits, vegetables, grains, and starchy carbohydrates? I know you meat eaters are occasionally fascinated about their way of life, so come on, let's talk about it and the benefits it provides to people. A vegetarian is a plant-based pro who skips the meat and says heck no to anything that goes moo, cluck, or oink. But in all seriousness, a vegetarian is someone who chooses to follow a diet that excludes meat, fish, and poultry, as well as any products derived from animals such as dairy and eggs. Vegetarians typically rely on plant-based foods for their nutritional needs. But let's ask ourselves, what are really the benefits from being a vegetarian? Here are the top 10 reasons why you should consider going veg today. Starting off with number 10, it makes your heart healthy. A vegetarian diet has already been found to benefit heart health in a broad range of ways. It lowers your blood pressure, especially when compared to non-vegetarians. Vegetarians have significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as significantly lower probabilities of hypertension. It also reduces the risks of heart diseases and lowers your cholesterol. A vegetarian diet may also provide these heart-healthy benefits thanks to foods strong in fiber and unsaturated fats. Both of these nutrients aid in the management of the body's cholesterol. In addition, a vegetarian diet contains fewer saturated fats, total fats, and cholesterol than meat-based diets. Next up for number 9, it boosts your metabolism. Vegetarian diet is easily digestible and helps to maintain a healthy metabolism. Plant-based diets are high in phytonutrients, minerals, vitamins, and other phytochemicals, which sustain the body and indeed aid boost metabolism. It improves mitochondrial function at the cellular level. Furthermore, people with plant-based diets have a relatively high RMR, or the resting metabolism rate. When the RMR is higher, fat is burned more quickly. Number 8. It keeps your brain sharp. Plant-based meals can help improve brain health. In some research, eating more plant-based diets has been linked to a lower incidence of dementia, Alzheimer's, and cognitive impairments. This could be because fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are high in polyphenols, which are the most prevalent components of our daily diet, accounting for the majority of naturally occurring phytochemicals in plants, and have been shown to slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases. More research, however, is required to determine the precise association between a vegetarian diet and cognitive performance. So, after hearing just a few advantages of being a vegetarian, would you consider becoming one? But wait, we're not finished yet, and there are more benefits to talk about, so stay until the end of the video to know more, because trust me, if you're already interested, you might want to hear the rest. So coming up next for number 7, it prevents cancer. A vegetarian diet may also help you lower your chance of getting cancer. Plants include phytochemicals, which may aid in cell protection. They are also packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals which help people stay well. Furthermore, as previously noted, a vegetarian diet may aid with weight management, which is a risk factor for cancer. In fact, eating 6 ounces of whole grain foods every day may reduce your risk of developing colon cancer by 21%. In addition, red meat and processed meats have been related to cancers, such as colon, rectum, prostate, pancreatic, and stomach cancer. You can lower your risk of cancer by avoiding certain meats. I guess some meat lovers might be reconsidering their life choices by now. Number 6. It helps you to stay fit. Plant-based diets can also help you lose weight. While this lifestyle choice does not automatically result in weight loss, it can assist you in reducing fatty tissues and empty calories so that you can better manage your weight. A vegetarian diet, on the other hand, may cause weight gain if your portion sizes are excessively large or if you eat more high-calorie or high-fat items. To best maintain your weight, stick to a vegetarian diet that is adapted to your health and body composition. Eat Love makes it simple to select meals with the ideal nutrient balance to help you control your weight while adhering to a vegetarian diet. Vegetarian diets can also aid in weight loss by emphasizing nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and soy. Vegetarian diets go even further, eliminating calorie-dense foods like cheese. However, being a vegetarian does not imply consuming fewer calories. So, if you want to look like an Instagram model, I might suggest going veg. Coming up next for number 5, it helps your mental health. Studies have shown that individuals following a plant-based diet tend to experience higher levels of happiness compared to those who are not. In addition, vegetarians exhibit lower scores on mood profiles and depression tests when compared to those who consume meat or fish. Moreover, a diet that is exclusively vegetarian, incorporating a wide variety of plant-based foods, offers a fresh approach, particularly when using organic produce, which can effectively clear the mind and foster a more positive outlook. A higher consumption of fruits and vegetables has also been related to a lower incidence of depression and overall better mental health. Plant-based diets are high in antioxidants and other nutrients that have been demonstrated to protect against depression and depressed symptoms. Oh, thanks for sticking with us. We have more in store for you, so keep watching and move one step closer to a healthier life. Now coming up next for number 4, it is more affordable. A vegetarian diet can help you save a lot of money. Animal products and meats are unquestionably more expensive than fresh produce. According to one research published in the Journal of Hunger and Environmental Nutrition, vegetarians spend less than $750 on food per year than their meat-eating colleagues, a figure that is likely even greater now. Following a vegetarian diet allows you to save money. If you're the type of person who is on a tight budget when it comes to groceries, you might want to consider going full-time veg. Number 3. It gives you healthy skin. If you want to have healthy skin, you must consume adequate amounts of vitamins and minerals, as well as drink lots of water. Fruits and vegetables are high in vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidants. Furthermore, because they're water-based, eating them uncooked can help you get more nutritious nutrients. Many vegetarian foods are also high in antioxidants, which help you stay disease-free and maintain healthy skin. Also, plant-based meals are high in bioactive substances such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, polyphenols, and phenolic acids, which can help with oxidant defense, inflammation reduction, and skin structure support. Number 2. It decreases inflammation and arthritis. Vegetarians report more relief in symptoms such as morning stiffness, joint swelling, and any other pain that meat eaters experience. Overall, there are more fantastic benefits to being a vegetarian, which will persuade more people to eat better, improving their health and the environment. According to researchers, a plant-based diet can help reduce the pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis. They claim that a plant-based diet can help with this by lowering inflammation and swelling. Experts believe you can gradually transition to a vegetarian diet by eliminating processed and/or red meat from your meals. And now for number 1, it helps you live longer. Choosing a plant-based diet contributes to a longer life. If you consume more vegetables and fruits, you will accumulate less poisons and toxins in your body, allowing you to live a longer and healthier life. Plant-based diets are high in nutrients that may help you live longer and avoid ailments, and many people who follow this eating pattern also make lifestyle choices that may help them live longer lives, such as exercising regularly and avoiding processed meals. It is extremely beneficial, particularly in terms of treating, preventing, or reversing cardiac disorders and lowering the risk of cancer. A low-fat plant-based diet is the most effective method to slow or stop the progression of coronary artery disease. Fruits and vegetables have a high fiber content, which is necessary for proper digestion. It aids in the rapid elimination of toxins and other compounds from the body, allowing you to live a healthier and longer life. Vegetarian diets are typically water-based, which aids in the maintenance of necessary liquids in the body. So, have these 10 benefits convinced you enough to change your diet and start being a vegetarian? I would like to know which benefit is the most convincing for you, so comment down below. Here at Healthee, our goal is to keep you strong, fit, and you guessed it, healthy. If you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will love our next one. See you there!